today's tutorial is a little different. You see my makeup is already done. I am actually doing a review on this bad baby. This is the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. So she actually wrote a little quote on the back that says, "I have always wanted to create a palette that embodies my spirit. I'm a dreamer at heart and get lost in my own fantasy world daily. It's a whimsical place that leaves you feeling carefree. If I had to explain how these colors made me feel, I would say happy." And that's by Norvina herself, aka Claudia. And this palette was actually made in the US, so that's a plus. I have not yet opened this palette. This will be my first time on camera, so let's see what it's all about. So it feels just like their modern Renaissance palette, that suede, which I think is really cute. I love it. I like the purple. It's a really pretty color. So the palette comes with, of course, their standard eyeshadow brush, which I never use because it's honestly a shitty ass brush. It's free though, so I guess it's nice, but to me it's hard. It got a little softer. I see over the years they must have stepped their game up, but I still don't use that shit. So here's the colors. So I'm gonna do swatches of the shimmer shades first, and I'm gonna tell you what the names are, and then I'm gonna do swatches of the more matte shades. Out with the color Dreamer. Okay, yeah, a lot comes out. So this is Dreamer. It is what, bitch? Look at that. That is real pigmented. A little goes a long way, because now I got a fucking hole in that eyeshadow and I'm pissed because I just dug my finger in there. So don't do that. Next color is Summer. Oh, that's pretty. And it's real creamy. Like, it's not like the other palette they made. I don't even know the name because I didn't buy that shit because it was garbage. But these are really nice. I like the texture. This one is Wild Child. That one's cute. Rose Gold. Oh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. Okay, let me start that again. This color is Celestial. And Dazzling, darling, dazzling. Like moi. I'm running out of arm. Me out of hand. These colors all kind of look similar. Oh, that one is cute too. And last but not least, Drama. For your baby mama. Oh God, I'm losing sunlight. That's Drama. So those are all the shimmer shades. I don't think I'm going to swatch the matte shades. I'm just going to go ahead and do a real quick eyeshadow look for you guys. I'm going to start out with the color Eccentric as my transition shade. But I'm going to speed this shit up. I usually do my eyes first because most eyeshadows have fallout and you mess your whole face up like that. But so far, no fallout, so that's good. Okay, so the next color I'm going in with is the color Love, and it's this pink shade right here. I'm just going to go in the crease with that color. No. No. I'm going to use Soul. So the next color I'm going in with is this color Soul. I bitch just came up with an idea. Okay, I mean, I don't know if it's how I'm applying it, but this is not as pigmented as I would have liked it to be. I mean, the good thing with it, it looked like it's buildable. But it's pissing me off. I don't know if y'all can see. When I look down, it's like patchy. Like right there. The more I try to put there, it wipes right away. Oh, fuck no. Now, I'm no expert, but bitch, I know how to blend eyeshadow, and this ain't blending. It looks so patchy. But I'm gonna work with it, Norvina. I really like how the eyeshadows applied when I swatched them with my finger. It didn't blotch or anything. So for my lid, I think I'm just going to take my finger and take the color Wild Child, that pink color here, and use that for my lid. So let's see how it works when you use your finger, because they are so pigmented, like it's crazy. Bitch. Bitch. Wait, I think that'll apply good with some. Okay, so I am going to try their brush that came with the palette, and I'm going to spray it with my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. that always helps shimmer eyeshadows apply more pigmented. So I'm going to go ahead and try that now. Okay, so for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this shimmery shade in the color Dream. And just take a small brush here, spray a little bit. So I did get a little fallout from the pink shade Love, but not too much, not too bad, enough where I can just dust it away, so that's fine. It didn't mess up my whole look. I'm good. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these Vegas nail lashes on that I picked up from my local Ulta's in the color, in the style Grand Glamour. So yeah, I'm going to put these on off camera because I have the hardest time putting on lashes, and don't judge, so what, whatever, I don't want to hear it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, do some liner, pop these lashes on, and then I'll be back to also do a review on their new liquid lipstick and lip gloss. A little surprise. What the fuck? A little surprise. I'm back. Lashes are on. Time for the lips. So I am going to try two different looks. I'm going to try their new liquid lipstick in the color Violet and their new lip gloss in the color Winter Jelly. Or I could do them both and do the lip gloss on top. We'll see. This is it with the color Violet. I love it. Now I'm going to try it with Winter Jelly on top. Girl, fucking Winter Jelly, Moon Jelly. Moon Jelly, okay? Not Winter Jelly. I made up my whole own name, okay? So this is gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with my Lash Domination by Bare Minerals mascara. I'm gonna pop some on the bottom lashes, and that will complete this look. So my honest review, I really think the Norvina palette is a really good palette. The colors that I use gave me minimum fallout, which is always a plus, because usually I do my full face last and do my eyeshadow first for that exact reason. Who wants to do their whole face and then have to go back and redo it or try to dust it off with some powder? It's just a disaster when you get fallout. and you have your foundation on. So but now you see with this palette you can do that. Oh, I love this mascara. Alright, wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. And sorry, in the rest of my clips, I have my fan on. For my last 2 tutorials, this being the 3rd actually, I've had my fan on. It's hot as fuck in my room. Always, my room is the hottest room in the house, and that's where I do all my tutorials. So my fan is on non-stop. So sorry if you hear my fan in the background. I usually don't talk this much in my videos anyway, but since it was a review, I had no choice because I had to tell you guys what I thought about the palette, blah blah blah. I'm talking too much. That's sorry, you can hear my fan in the background. But this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment, tell me what you thought. Subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about me. Tell them subscribe to my channel. Please let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. If you like reviews, I was supposed to do a Fashion Nova haul for you guys months ago. I have so many clothes from Fashion Nova, so I think, I can't make any promises, but I think that will be my next tutorial or my next video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.